In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to tailor the report so it reflects the period and details you need for decision making. To begin, head to the left-hand navigation menu and select Reports. This is your central hub for financial and management reports. If your menu is collapsed, hover over it to expand the labels so you can easily find the right section. Once you're in Reports, make sure you're on the Standard tab. The Standard tab is where QuickBooks keeps all the built-in reports. You don't need to create anything from scratch here. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Standard Reports page and type Balance Sheet. You'll see Balance Sheet appear in the results. Click it. QuickBooks will immediately generate the balance sheet for your company. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. The balance sheet is an as-of report, meaning it shows your financial position at a specific date, not over a range of time like the profit and loss. Now, let's customize the report using the toolbar at the top. Start with the date selector. Choose the as-of date you want, such as the end of the month, quarter, or year. If you need a custom date, use the calendar to pick exactly the day you want. This ensures the balances reflect the correct cutoff. Next, check the accounting method. You can toggle between cash and accrual. Accrual is standard for most balance sheets, but if your reporting needs cash basis, switch it here so the report aligns with your accounting method. Use the Customize or Filter options to refine what you see. You can display columns by month or quarter to compare periods side by side, or add a previous period comparison to track changes. If your chart of accounts is detailed, consider collapsing sub-accounts for a clean summary, then expand them again when you need more detail. You can also filter by classes or locations if your company uses them, which is especially helpful for multi-department or multi-site reporting. When you're satisfied with the view, review the totals at the bottom. Assets should equal liabilities plus equity. If something looks off, adjust the date or filters until the balances match your expectations. That's it. You've opened the balance sheet and tailored it to your needs using the toolbar. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need a fresh snapshot of your company's financial position.